Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. I'm Ralph, and today's topic is driving. If you drive a car, or if you're learning English, and you sometimes take a taxi, rent a car, or even talk about traffic, you will love this lesson. I'm going to teach you 20 very common phrases that native English speakers use when talking about driving. I'll say the phrase, explain the meaning in simple English, and give you an example sentence. After each phrase, I want you to repeat after me. This will help you remember it and improve your pronunciation. This is the miracle of shadowing, and soon you'll realize its effect on your English. Ready? Let's get started. All right, the first phrase is hit the road. Hit the road. It means to start a journey or leave a place. For example, it's getting late. Let's hit the road. Repeat the example after me. It's getting late. Let's hit the road. Very good. Our next phrase is step on it. Step on it. It means drive faster. Drive faster. For example, we're late. Step on it. Now repeat after me. We're late. Step on it. Our next phrase is slow down. Slow down. It means drive more slowly. Drive more slowly. For example, slow down. There's a school ahead. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Slow down. There is a school ahead. Our next phrase is pull over. Pull over. It means stop your car at the side of the road. Stop your car at the side of the road. For example, the police asked me to pull over. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. The police asked me to pull over. Now, a little bit faster. The police asked me to pull over. Very good. Our next phrase is watch out. Watch out. It means be careful or pay attention. For example, watch out. There's a car coming. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Watch out. There's a car coming. Very good. Excellent. Our next phrase is buckle up. Buckle up. It means to fasten your seatbelt. Fasten your seatbelt. For example, everyone buckle up before we start driving. Now repeat after me. Everyone buckle up before we start driving. Very good. Now a little bit faster. Everyone buckle up before we start driving. Excellent. You did a great job. Our next phrase is cut someone off. To cut someone off. It means to drive in front of another car suddenly and dangerously. To drive in front of another car suddenly and dangerously. For example, that driver just cut me off. Now you repeat after me. That driver just cut me off. Very good. Our next phrase is run a red light. Run a red light. It means to drive through a red traffic light without stopping. So drive through a red traffic light without stopping. For example, it's dangerous to run a red light. Now repeat after me. It's dangerous to run a red light. Very good. Our next phrase is in the fast lane. In the fast lane means driving in the lane for faster traffic. For example, I usually drive in the fast lane on the highway. Now you repeat after me. I usually drive in the fast lane on the highway. Now a little bit faster. I usually drive in the fast lane on the highway. Very good. Excellent. Now, our next phrase is stuck in traffic. Stuck in traffic. It means when cars are not moving because of heavy traffic. So you stuck in traffic. For example, I was stuck in traffic for an hour. Now repeat after me. I was stuck in traffic for an hour. Very good. Our next phrase is take the wheel. Take the wheel. It means to start driving, to control the car. For example, I'm tired. Can you take the wheel for a while? Now you repeat after me. I'm tired. Can you take the wheel for a while? Very good. Excellent. Our next phrase is floor it. Floor it. What does it mean? It means to press the gas pedal completely to go very fast. To press the gas pedal completely to go very fast. For example, we're almost out of gas, but we need to floor it to get there. Now repeat after me. Let's shadow together. We're almost out of gas, but we need to floor it to get there. Now let's say it again. We're almost out of gas, but we need to floor it to get there. Very good. Very good. Our next phrase is brake. Brake means to stop or slow the car using the brake pedal. For example, brake. There is a stop sign. Now repeat after me. Brake. There is a stop sign. Very good. Our next phrase is merge into traffic. Merge into traffic. It means join the flow of cars from another lane or road. For example, you need to check your mirrors before you merge into traffic. And now repeat after me. You need to check your mirrors before you merge into traffic. Now let's say it a little bit faster. Repeat after me. You need to check your mirrors before you merge into traffic. All right. Our next phrase is detour. Detour. It means a different road you take because the usual road is closed. For example, we had to take a detour because the main road was blocked. Now repeat after me. We had to take a detour because the main road was blocked. Very good. Now let's say it a little bit faster. We had to take a detour because the main road was blocked. Very good. Our next phrase is flat tire. Flat tire means when your tire loses air and becomes unusable. For example, we can't drive far. We have a flat tire. Now repeat after me. We can't drive far. We have a flat tire. Very good. Our next phrase is fill up. Fill up. It means to put gas in the car. For example, we need to fill up before we leave the city. Now you repeat after me. We need to fill up before we leave the city. Very good. Our next phrase is break down. Break down. It means when a car stops working. For example, our car broke down in the middle of the road. Now repeat after me. Our car broke down in the middle of the road. Very good. Now let's repeat a little bit faster. Our car broke down in the middle of the road. Very good. Our next phrase is overtake or pass. It means to go past another vehicle. For example, it's not safe to overtake on a curve. Now repeat after me. It's not safe to overtake on a curve. Very good. And our last phrase, it's get a ticket. To get a ticket. It means receive a fine from the police for breaking traffic rules. Receive a fine from the police for breaking traffic rules. For example, I got a ticket for parking in the wrong place. Now you'll repeat after me. I got a ticket for parking in the wrong place. Very good. Now let's say it a little bit faster. I got a ticket for parking in the wrong place. Very good. Excellent. And there you have it. 20 very common driving phrases you can start using today. If you drive, try saying these phrases out loud while you're in the car. If you don't drive, you can still use many of them when talking about travel or transportation. Remember, repeat them, practice them, and try to use them in real conversations. That's the secret to remembering new phrases forever. Thanks for listening, and until next time, drive safe and buckle up.